Oh, what a nice place to start.
Don't worry, guys. Nat's good. Nat, what level are you?
14.
We're 12, so good luck, girl.
I'm 11.
Okay, we've already got the scavenger. So that's fucking... This is gonna be brutal. Oh, God, another one? These are all bosses, by the way.
Oh my god. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. Cool, I got survivor busted under with less than 20% health.
Get that net.
No share, I can't get it.
Oops.
I am so dead.
Where are you, Phil?
I'm right at the bottom. Oh man. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, there we go. I'm out. Could not even.
I'm just gonna have to stop and heal for a bit. That was pretty bad.
I have to summon the boss, if not, we're gonna die. So Nat, this level, can you do it? for
Nope.
us?
I wonder if there's achievement for 1 hour.
No, there's not.
Oh,
Okay.
snaps.
No, got wrecked. I'm too low. No, there's my army of birds that's coming off.
Yep. I see him.
See, that's. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Honestly.
Get away. The birds are trying to corner you. They're going around angry.
Oh, you did the same mistake.
So now you're gonna win this time?
I'll give her another hour. Yeah, she did it.
Oh my gosh, just look at them.
There's so many.
The miner was in this level again. I want to unlock him for you guys.
No, I'm gonna die. This is how I go out,
Wow.
children.
I
I really
got
messed up.
dead from blunt trauma to the face.
Killed by evolved Lemurian.